Before this video starts, let me explain a bit. So, apparently my phone is so trash to the point where if I record in Subway servers or in any app at this in any app at this point, then basically the recorder is gonna crash. Yeah, I know it's it's stupid. I think it's because of my phone, because my phone is basically not capable of recording. So I'm probably gonna have to get a new phone this Christmas. Probably not gonna succeed in that, but I'll have to try. But anyways, enjoy this 3 minute video that I basically made a few days after the update trailer came out for North Pole. So go ahead and enjoy, and I hope you have have yeah, I hope you have a wonderful Christmas and a happy New Year.